Warm welcome, dear learners, to my channel. Myself, Parminder Kaur, and in this video, I will discuss with you 3 questions. First question is what are the 2 types of FA? This is a Viva question. There are 2 types of FA. First is NFA, which is known as non-deterministic finite automata, and second is DFA, that is deterministic finite automata, right? So FA have 2 types, one is NFA and another one is DFA. Next, very important question, what are the 5 tuples of DFA? This is a theory question. It's very important and easy question. So, a deterministic finite automata, that is DFA, is represented as a 5 tuple, formally defined as capital Q, summation, delta, Q node and F, right? So this 5 tuple represents the different components that make up a DFA. So for the formation of DFA, it is required to have these 5 tuples. Once again I repeat, Q, which is capital Q, summation, delta, Q node and F. Let's discuss its meaning. First is capital Q, which is used in calculation or in computation. So it is a set of finite states representing the different states the DFA can be in during computation, right? So capital Q means set of finite states. Next is summation. Summation represents input symbols. So a finite set of input symbols, also known as alphabet or the summation. Next is delta. The transition function, a function, so delta is a transition function, right? So it is a function that maps a state and an input symbol to a new state. So the function of delta is to do mapping between the states and the input symbols and to represent a new state. Next is Q node. Q node is the initial state. It is the state the DFA starts in. So the DFA starts with Q node, that is the initial state. Next and the last one is F. F represents the final or the accepting state. So I hope that these components are now clear to you. So these 5 components are used to define how the DFA operates. So the operation of DFA required these 5 components. Dear learners, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Next and the last question is, why finite automata? Finite automata are the abstract machines which are used to recognize patterns. Yes, in input sequence, for the recognition of patterns, it's required to have abstract machines, and these abstract machines are known as finite automata. And these finite automata is used to form the regular language in computer science. Once again I repeat, finite automata are abstract machines used to recognize patterns in input sequences, forming the basis for understanding regular languages in computer science. Now, what they consist of? They consist of states, which I have discussed with you, transitions, and input symbols, processing each symbol step by step. So I hope that this question is also clear to you. So in this video, these are the 3 questions which I have discussed with you. If you like the video, please like the video or subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot.